Hello and welcome to Whiskey Resource. My name is Mark and this is review number 7. So today we're going to be doing a whiskey single malt that I picked up from Masters of Malt the other day. They were doing some flash sales on various samples, so I chose some of the flash samples and I also added into it this particular whiskey, which is, bring it close to the camera there, you can see it's Stronachie 10-year-old. Bit of history of Stronachie. It's a long gone distillery. It's now been reimagined by A.D. Rattray. So they purchased at auction a bottle of 1904 Stronachie. They took a sample and they decided that the best match that they were able to get was a whiskey provided by the Speyside distillery Benrimmes. So they went with their 10-year-old bottling and they reimagined Stronachie in its new form. So Stronachie, it's say a 10-year-old single malt whiskey. Its average price is £32.89. It's available, widely available online at various of the big retailers. It's got a value score based on the fact that it's 43% ABV. It's non-chill filtered. We can't really find anything about the colour, whether it's had E150 added, but by looking at that, you know, that's very pale. I would have said not. I would say it's not got E150 added, but we don't know. So for value score, it scores a very, very respectable 89.21 on the value. So an 89 there for Stronachie 10-year-old. So let's dive right in and we'll see what it's like on the palate. So this is a 30ml measure. It's not quite a large pour, but likewise it's a little bit bigger than a small measure. I've only taken a little bit out of there. So what do A.D. Rattray say about Stronachie? Well, they say on the nose that's honey, they say that it's heather, it's malty, and it's sweet. First impressions, yeah, it is sweet, and I would agree with the maltiness. It does smell young. It does smell like it's well, there's virtually no colour to that. It's not been in the cask long. That's the impression I'm getting from the initial smell. Now, I've never had this whiskey before, so this is new. Yeah, I would agree with the honey, the malt, and the sweetness. Heather, I'll be honest, I've not really experienced a lot of heather whiskies. Highland Park, that's got heather notes in it. So that's kind of my only point of reference for that. But I do know what heather smells like. It's never quite the same in a whiskey, I don't think. But it's sweet, it's inviting, it's not coming across any different to any other whiskies that I've tried that you could class as just a generic. It's just got that generic whiskiness to it. On the palate, A.D. Rattray say it's a smooth whiskey, it's got honey, those biscuits, the maltiness come through, it's got pepper and it's got cereal. But we'll give it a try. That is an enjoyable dram. That is very enjoyable. It's it hits you with the sweetness. It does taste useful, and it is peppery, but I think that's the youthfulness of it. The fact that it's quite hot. I mean, it's fizzing away on my tongue, almost like a sherbet. I'm getting a little bit of lemon, so a lemon sherbet would be right. Fizzy, peppery, yeah. there's a spice going on there beyond pepper. I would probably say that it's like it's not cinnamon, but it's that kind of a spice that's got a bit of heat to it. I'm going to pop a little bit of water in. It's not going to take too much water because there's not much in the glass. So it's literally just one drop. So I've saved some because I will be coming back to it. Don't think I'll be doing a review of it, but I do want to see how it's changed, and if I think it's changed, then I'll be updating the review notes when I publish this. The nose is sweeter. More honey's coming through there. That's a nice nose. It is a nice nose. It's sweet. It's spicy. It's a little bit creamy. I was saying it's lemon sherbet. It is, but there's some fruit going on there that I can't quite establish. I'll have to come back to that one. It's a shame I don't have a big bottle. So that leads into the next point. It's scored 89.21 and 89 on its value score. It's £32.89 average price. I would say it's probably fair to give it an 85 as an overall score for palate and taste. Would I buy it and add it to my collection? If I saw it cheaper than £32.95, it would have to be a sub £30 price. If I did see it as an offer, I would probably pick up a bottle. If there was other offerings available and that was one of them, I'd be standing deliberating for a while, but I would definitely consider at the right price adding that to me collection. But I do need to do a bit more tasting of it and getting a bit more of a feel for what that fruity flavour is I'm getting. So we're over with less than 8 minutes for this one. Cheers guys.